Welcome to Quick and Speak Q&A. I'm Emma, and today we'll practice talking about yourself clearly and confidently. Let's begin.
What's your name?
My name is Liam.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where do you live now?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
What's your job like?
My job is fun and meaningful.
What do you enjoy about your work?
I enjoy helping people learn.
Are you a student?
No, but I study every day.
What are you studying now?
I'm studying digital skills.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly and curious.
What's your personality like?
I'm calm and positive.
What are your strengths?
I'm patient and organized.
What is one weakness?
I worry too much sometimes.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and walking.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite hobby?
Taking pictures of nature.
What makes you happy?
Learning new things.
What is something you're proud of?
I'm proud of my progress in life.
Are you confident speaking English?
Yes, because I practice often.
How do you practice speaking?
I speak with friends and listen a lot.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
What's your favorite drink?
I enjoy iced coffee.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite movie?
I like adventure movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft pop and acoustic music.
Can you describe your morning routine?
I wake up, drink water, and read something.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I relax and study a little.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day.
What do you usually read?
I read simple English articles.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every morning.
What's your favorite place to relax?
A quiet park near my home.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where would you like to travel next?
I want to visit Japan.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish
Why are you learning a new language?
because it opens new opportunities.
What motivates you?
My goals motivate me.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
I prefer mornings.
What's something you want to improve?
I want to improve my focus.
What's something you want to learn?
I want to learn guitar.
What are your goals this year?
To grow, learn, and travel more.
What makes you feel confident?
Being prepared makes me confident.
What makes you nervous?
Big crowds sometimes.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm an introverted person.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, but in small groups.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy swimming.
Do you have pets?
No, but I love dogs.
What relaxes you?
Listening to calm music.
What inspires you?
People who never give up.
What's one skill you're proud of?
I'm good at teaching.
Do you prefer staying home or going out?
I like staying home.
What do you do on weekends?
I rest and explore new places.
What is something you enjoy learning?
I enjoy learning languages.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
What's your dream job?
Something that helps people grow.
What's a habit you want to build?
I want to read at night.
What's a habit you want to stop?
Using my phone too much.
Are you organized?
Yes, I try to stay organized.
What's your learning style?
I learn by listening.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, simple meals.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I enjoy pasta with veggies.
What are you good at?
I'm good at explaining ideas.
What are you bad at?
I'm bad at singing. Haha.
What's one dream you have?
To travel the world.
What's something you value?
I value honesty.
What's something you always try to do?
I try to be kind.
What's something you avoid?
I avoid negative conversations.
Do you speak confidently?
Yes, because I practice.
How do you sound confident?
I speak slowly and clearly.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, learning makes me happy.
What's your favorite English word?
Growth.
What's one fun fact about you?
I love collecting notebooks.
What's your favorite activity at night?
Reading before bed.
What's something simple that makes you smile?
A good cup of coffee.
What's your morning drink?
Warm lemon water.
Do you like learning online?
Yes, it's easy and flexible.
What's your favorite English phrase?
Keep going.
What's something you practice daily?
Gratitude.